Hey Arlington Row, it's Chris, Erika, and Chevy here to teach you guys about our upcoming philanthropy event.
We're here to show you how dog toys are made. This is going to be a part of our upcoming philanthropy event, and then our plan is to donate them to one of the local shelters.
We even brought some furry friends to test out the toys we were buying.
The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut through the seam, just past the seam, and then you're going to just tear along the seam. And that's just so that they don't get all the stitching, so that the dogs don't try and eat all of that. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the side, and you're going to cut up the side to the overlap of the shirt. Rip out the armpit as well. The sleeve, I guess.
Now that all the seams are ripped out of the t-shirt, you'll want to cut the t-shirts into 3 to 4 inch strips. Then once you have all of your strips cut, you'll want to take 6 of them, and then you'll attach them all together at the top, and it'll just be a process of braiding after this.
So you're going to tie it off like a balloon.
You'll want to make sure you get that knot extra tight as well. And then we'll pass it to Chevy to teach you guys how to braid.
I've had a lot of experience with my wonderful hair. You're going to take one strand in each hand and keep the middle strand there and just overlap. And then overlap. And then overlap.
And you want to braid as tight as possible as you're going through this.
And then you're going to
Tie it off like
tie it off at the end. If I can.
Like a balloon.